Prosper Ops, I was at Rackspace. In fact, the founding team of Prosper Ops were all at Rackspace, and we helped thousands of very large, complex customers optimize their spend across both of these universes. And one of the things we realized in doing that is trying to leverage tools and humans to optimize, in particular, the right-hand side of this chart was very prone to error and just consistently led to suboptimal outcomes. And we came to very strongly believe that this particular problem set is best addressed by computers, algorithms, AI, optimization problem sets, and real-time execution engines to manipulate and manage the right-hand side of this universe. And basically what our solution does is it completely automates the financial optimization universe. And so we're firm believers in making optimizations on both sides of this chart. But with our service, we can fully automate the right-hand side. That puts money back in your budget, frees up time to go and focus on the left-hand side. And then whatever optimizations occur in the engineering universe, they're automatically mirrored in the financial universe. And so it's a very, very complementary and powerful union of these two capabilities. When you turn on our service, we will assume management of that financial universe. If you have existing commitments, we can assume management of whatever you have today. And we have an opinionated portfolio that we will converge your environment to over time that will generate consistently and automatically a 40% discount on your AWS compute spend. So when I say compute, I'm talking about EC2, Lambda, and Fargate. The total of those is generally on average about 60 to 70% of the average AWS bill. So it's by far the biggest line item. It's where Amazon makes the majority of their money. And so when you turn our service on, we will eventually converge your savings to a world-class range of 40%. It varies slightly depending on the regions you're running in, the platforms that you're running, et cetera. But generally speaking, we will get every customer to this level of savings outcomes over time. And so we provide three key capabilities. One is we will maximize your cloud savings. Important to note that our fee is a function of savings. And so our incentives are aligned. And in effect, we will put money back in your cloud budget. And so we will generate more savings than you're generating today. We will take a portion of that, but the net result is that you will have money back in your cloud budget. So our service doesn't actually cost you anything on a net basis. In effect, Amazon pays our bill. Secondly, and this is very important, the financial universe in AWS is a commit discount structure. That means in order to generate savings, you have to make commitments to Amazon, and there's risk associated with making commitments. And so it's very possible, we see this a lot, for customers to get upside down in their commitments. They're paying Amazon for things they're no longer using. And so there is risk to these commitments. And we have a very unique approach, which I'll talk about in a bit, that de-risks commitments in a way that you can generate savings while also minimizing your commitment risk to AWS. And lastly, we are a SaaS solution. We're a fully autonomous service. And so when you think generally about all of the work that's necessary to manage and achieve outcomes on the right-hand side of that chart, the financial universe, it's generally a lot of work, capacity planning, ongoing effort to generate those outcomes. Our service simplifies all of that down to basically 5 knobs that you set at the beginning. And then once it's set, our service takes over and goes to work. And so we do all the work. You guys get the outcomes.